I was just exhausted all day. I had no energy. I really struggled to complete when we had sex, mainly because I couldn't keep my erection or even have an erection. It was very frustrating and really depressing, and I was really declining. I felt like I was my age every day of it. I had been seeing Dr. Carazola for other medical issues. I've been seeing him, I think, for 15 years or more. And it took me, I think, about 2 years, and I finally gave in, and I think we started doing the testosterone injections first. But the pellets were really where the magic is. I first noticed the changes probably, I think it took anywhere from 5 to 7 days. It was pretty quick. And his sex was very different. The erections that I was having were every morning, I'd wake up with an erection where I wasn't doing that before. And I was able to sustain an erection through having sex, and it would last to the end. And I found what it did, we were more intimate. It drew us closer in our marriage. It was wonderful. My life has changed greatly in so many ways, not only in the sexual aspect of it. Having energy throughout the day, the results in the gym have been incredible. And I feel better. I feel, instead of feeling my age, I feel younger. I feel like I'm in my upper 20s maybe, or, I feel, 30 years younger than my actual age. And that's a wonderful thing. And I think other people notice it too. If you're not feeling good, and the hormones can help you in so many ways. Don't wait, because you can feel better sooner. It has given me an advantage in life. It's helped me to feel younger, be more active, be more competitive. I have a very competitive nature, and strong, not only sexually, but physically. I do everything: basketball, baseball, everything. Go to the gym, and get out there and bust my butt and play tennis, and we take long walks, and it's just been wonderful.
And I love it.
Yes.